You have one good product image, but the camping needs a lifestyle video, an e-commerce version, a social media ad, and a completely different creative direction. That is why the video marketing gets expensive and time consuming. The real challenge is not just generating one clip, it's turning limited source material into enough usable marketing content. So today I'm testing AI video generator workflow with Seedance 2.5 inside CapCut PC, and I'll show you how to make marketing content from one product asset, how to create different camping direction, and how to refine the results without starting over every time. And the real question is not just how much one generation cost, it's how much usable content you can actually produce from the same source of asset. Here's the workflow. We'll start with one product image. First we'll generate the complete 30-second marketing sequence, then we'll add reference asset to keep the product and visual direction more consistent. If the camping ends too early, we'll extend it. If one specific detail is wrong, we'll just edit that part. And once we have the multiple versions, we'll use Edit Pilot and the CapCut PC timeline to turn them into a final deliverables. So let's start with the biggest problem, not having enough usable footage. First of all, we need to download CapCut PC. Then we need to go over here on AI video section. As you can see over here, there are many options: image to video, omni reference, text to video, multi-frames. So we are going to use image to video because we have a product reference. Now we need to tell the AI what the marketing video is actually supposed to achieve, not like make a product advertisement, something like that. For how to make a marketing video with AI, I want to define the product, camera, lighting, action, and marketing objective. That's also the structure behind the best prompt to write an AI marketing campaign creation. You need to put your prompt over here. Notice that we are not describing what the product looks like. We are describing what the video needs to do: product identity, marketing purpose, environment, camera movement, lighting, action, and the final use case. That is much more actionable than simply asking the AI to make something cool. Before clicking on generate, you need to select the model's settings over here. As you can see over here, you need to select Seedance 2.5 over here because that can generate up to 30-second clips, and you can control every shot and use different models over here. Then you can change settings. You can generate 30-second videos over here and up to 1080p. And then click on generate. And this is our first version. We have a complete product sequence instead of a collection of disconnected short clips. But now we have a new problem. This video is complete, but what if the product story still needs more time? That's where the next steps comes in. Let's say the product demonstration ends right when I want to show the final use case. I could generate another clip and try to connect it manually, but that creates another continuity problem. Instead, I will use AI extend. You just need to click the clip over here, then select AI extend over here, as you can see, and either you can extend it from beginning or at the end. So we are gonna extend it from the end. Just click it over here. You can choose how many seconds you want to regenerate, up to like 30 seconds more. Then you need to choose the model, any model that you want to choose, Seedance 2.0 mini or Seedance 2.5. Then you need to tell your story, what you want to generate. It would be optional, but you need to tell your, if you need to tell your story, then you need to explain it over here. What else do you want to extend? For example, we're gonna put continue the product demonstration and click on enter. Now the product story has more room to develop without rebuilding the entire sequence from scratch. But there is another issue. More variation gives more creative option, but they can also make the product and the brand direction harder to keep consistent. So let's create those variation with more control. Now I'm going to change the marketing direction without changing the core product. For version 2, I want a lifestyle camping. This is the prompt. Click on generate, and as you can see over here, a new video appeared. And the third one, as you can see over here, for e-commerce. Click on generate and it will generate the video for e-commerce. And as you can see over here, our third video is ready. Now I have 3 different camping direction: premium, lifestyle, and e-commerce. That's the useful part of an AI video generation for marketing. We are not replacing the creative strategy, we are creating more usable option from the same source material. This is why the references part becomes important. Without enough visual directions, the product appearance, background, lighting, or overall style can be distributed in versions. So I am going back to the reference workflow. I'll keep the product reference and the environment reference, add the visual style reference. As you can see over here, we're going to add this model, add this background, add this product, and put your prompt over here. Now the AI has much clearer visual target for the camping. That helps when you are producing multiple versions and want them to feel like variations of one camping, not 4 completely unrelated videos. But even with better references, you can still get one specific detail wrong. So let's fix that without regenerating everything. Let's say the video is already good, but at 12 seconds mark, as you can see over here, the background does not feel fit for the camping. I don't want to regenerate the full video. We can use AI edit over here. After selecting the clip over here, put a prompt. At 12 seconds, replace the background with a clean modern indoor environment while keeping the product, camera movement and lighting everything same. Click on enter. So as you can see over here, now I am changing the specific problem area instead of starting the whole generation again. That's important for marketing production because the goal is not simply to generate more footage, it's to reduce unnecessary reruns and get more usable footage from every generation. Now I have several versions that all need similar finishing adjustment. Maybe the spacing needs lighting, maybe the clip needs transition, maybe I need caption across multiple versions. Doing all of that manually, one clip at a time, starts to defeat a purpose of generating content faster. So I'll use edit pilot. So as you can see over here on the right corner, edit pilot, you just need to click over here, choose that part what you want to make your edits. You can describe your edits, what do you want to change or what do you want to add, or even you can chat with your local language to do edits. So after you're done with edit pilot, this is where CapCut PC becomes the final production layer. I am bringing generated materials into the multi-track timeline. As you can see over here, there is multiple videos over here. I can organize the different versions, trim them, adjust the spacing, add caption, add music, as you can see over here, add filters. I can do everything over here inside one app. From generating to the final look, it will be a single workflow. So this is really an end-to-end workflow. Generate the material, refine the specific problem, edit multiple versions, finish them everything inside CapCut PC project. So after you've done your multi-track editing, you can just export it into your PC. So as you can see over here, this is the final result.
Elegance, detailed. Refine your ritual.
So we started with one simple product image and turned them into multiple marketing ready creative direction. We used Seedance 2.5 for the initial 30-second generation. We added multimodal reference for more control. We used AI extend to extend the storyline. We used AI edit to fix a specific problem. Then we used edit pilot and CapCut PC timeline to refine and assemble the final version. One asset to multiple video generation. So if you're learning how to make AI videos for marketing, don't think only about generating one impressive clip. Think about the entire workflow from source asset to generation to refinement to final delivery. And if you are looking for the best prompt to write AI for marketing campaign creation, remember the structure we used today: product, marketing objective, environment, visual style, camera movement, lighting, action, and the final use case. Give the AI a clear creative direction instead of a watch request. You can find CapCut PC through the link in the description or pinned comment, and comment AI marketing if you want me to build another complete campaign from a single product asset.